In this tutorial, I'll guide you through fixing the unsupported GPU error when trying to launch Warzone Mobile on iOS or Android devices. Start by closing all background apps on your device and ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, as Warzone will download additional files upon opening. Check your device's compatibility with the game by searching for Warzone on the Google Play Store or App Store. Look for compatibility information, such as the required iOS or Android version. Ensure your device is running the latest software update by accessing the Settings app, tapping on General, and selecting Software Update. Download and install the latest iOS or Android version before restarting your device. If the issue persists, clear the game's cache and disable any VPN connections. Access your device's settings, disable VPN if enabled, and navigate to device storage to find the Warzone app. Clear the app's cache on iOS devices by tapping Offload App, which may require re-downloading some files and logging back into your account. These steps should resolve startup issues related to device compatibility. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.